Time to sack your IFA, and I'll tell you in very simple reasons why. This is the performance over the past year. The vast majority of companies have gone up, of course, but your wealth manager IFA, I guarantee you, will have underperformed whatever benchmark the funds that they gave your money to were targeting. Why? Well, because 90% of the time that's what happens. Eugene Fama got a Nobel Prize in economics for showing that. The second thing is, they will have put, if in any of these companies, and this is how they'll placate you, they'll say, oh, no, you don't want it on those risky American markets. So in any way, we put a little bit of money into the American markets. Here, there you go, your SIP and ISA's got a tiny little bit. Now, I'll tell you what the problem with all of that is. They'll have put a few percentage points, maybe 1%, into maybe an NVIDIA. Oh, it's all too risky. Now, if NVIDIA then goes up 87% or even 100%, guess what's going to happen? Your portfolio will barely have budged. So they put too little cash in, they spray and pray because they're so scared. But if they're supposed to be experts, should they not have the confidence to put maybe a little bit more in? Not the levels that a Warren Buffett puts into an individual company where he can own as much as 30%, 40% of Apple, but at least maybe 5%, 6%. They just won't do it. They might do it with 1 or 2 companies out of all their holdings. So you ask your IFA, why are you underperforming the various benchmarks? Why did you lose me so much money in 2022 and not tell me to hold cash? What's the sortino? They'll look at you blankly. Okay. And also ask them, why are the various funds you've put me in sometimes investing in other funds from the same company? So fee layering, really bad. And also ask them, why are the funds that you've put me in holding so many stocks? That just means they've got so little money in any individual company that even if they're right, and they're the experts and they should be, they barely perform well. It's all very concerning. If you'd like a free pension review and see why your pension's underperforming, we'll do it for free. My hedge fund team and I'll do it for free. Go to alpeshpatel.com/links. We'll even have a call with you if you wish. Thank you very much.